Special Museums of Rome, a comprehensive exploration. Introduction. Rome, the Eternal City, is a treasure trove of history, art, and culture. While the Vatican museums and the Colosseum often steal the limelight, the city is home to a plethora of specialized museums that offer unique insights into various aspects of its rich heritage. From ancient artifacts to contemporary art, Rome's special museums provide an immersive experience for visitors seeking to delve deeper into the city's multifaceted past and vibrant present. This exploration will delve into some of the most notable special museums in Rome, highlighting their significance, collections, and contributions to the cultural landscape. 1. Capitoline Museums, Musei Capitolini. History and significance. The Capitoline Museums, located on Rome's Capitoline Hill, are considered the world's first public museums. Established in 1471 by Pope Sixtus IV, they house a vast collection of ancient Roman statues, inscriptions, and other artifacts, along with Renaissance and Baroque art collections. The museum's most famous piece is the Capitoline Wolf, an iconic bronze sculpture depicting the legendary she-wolf that nursed Romulus and Remus. Other highlights include the equestrian statue of Marcus Aurelius, the Dying Gaul, and the colossal head of Constantine. Cultural impact. As a repository of Rome's ancient heritage, the Capitoline Museums offer invaluable insights into the city's imperial past. Their collections have been crucial in shaping modern understanding of Roman history and art. Tags: #Capitoline Museums, #Ancient Rome, #Roman Sculpture, #Marcus Aurelius, #Dying Gaul, #Capitoline Wolf, #Rome History, #Public Museums, #Renaissance Art, #Baroque Art. 2. Borghese Gallery, Galleria Borghese. History and significance. Housed in the Villa Borghese Pinciana, the Borghese Gallery is one of Rome's most renowned art museums. It was established in the early 17th century by Cardinal Scipione Borghese, a passionate art collector and patron. Collections. The gallery boasts an impressive collection of works by masters such as Caravaggio, Bernini, Raphael, and Titian. Highlights include Bernini's Apollo and Daphne, Caravaggio's Boy with a Basket of Fruit, and Raphael's The Deposition. Cultural impact. The Borghese Gallery's collection epitomizes the grandeur of Baroque art and its pivotal role in the cultural and artistic development of Rome during the 17th century. The museum continues to attract art enthusiasts from around the world. Tags: #Borghese Gallery, #Caravaggio, #Bernini, #Raphael, #Titian, #Baroque Art, #Italian Masters, #Art Collection, #Villa Borghese, #Rome Art. 3. National Roman Museum, Museo Nazionale Romano. History and significance. The National Roman Museum is a set of museums in Rome, displaying a vast collection of artifacts from the ancient Roman world. Founded in 1889, it includes several branches, such as Palazzo Massimo alle Terme, Palazzo al Temps, Crypta Balbi, and the Baths of Diocletian. Collections. The museum's collections encompass a wide range of items, including ancient sculptures, frescoes, mosaics, coins, and everyday objects from Roman life. Notable pieces include the Boxer at Rest, the Discobolus, and the Ludovisi battle sarcophagus. Cultural impact. The National Roman Museum offers an extensive overview of Roman civilization, providing invaluable resources for historians and archaeologists. Its diverse collections help piece together the daily life, beliefs, and artistic achievements of ancient Rome. Tags: #National Roman Museum, #Ancient Artifacts, #Roman Sculpture, #Palazzo Massimo, #Palazzo al Temps, #Crypta Balbi, #Diocletian Baths, #Ancient Rome, #Archaeology, #Roman History. 4. MEXI, National Museum of 21st Century Arts, Museo Nazionale dell'Arte del XXI Secolo. History and significance. Designed by the renowned architect Zaha Hadid, MEXI is Italy's first national museum dedicated to contemporary art and architecture. Opened in 2010, it aims to promote the latest artistic and architectural trends. Collections. MEXI's collections include contemporary artworks, architectural models, and multimedia installations. The museum features works by prominent contemporary artists and architects, fostering a dialogue between modern creativity and historical context. Cultural impact. As a hub for contemporary art and architecture, MEXI plays a crucial role in the cultural landscape of Rome, bridging the gap between the city's ancient heritage and its modern artistic expressions. It provides a platform for emerging artists and architects, influencing contemporary cultural trends. Tags: #MEXI, #Contemporary Art, #Zaha Hadid, #Modern Architecture, #21st Century Art, #Art Exhibitions, #Contemporary Culture, #Rome Art Scene, #Emerging Artists, #Modern Design. 5. National Etruscan Museum of Villa Giulia, Museo Nazionale Etrusco di Villa Giulia. History and significance. Located in the splendid Villa Giulia, this museum is dedicated to the Etruscan civilization, which predated the Romans and significantly influenced their culture. Established in the 19th century, it houses one of the most important collections of Etruscan art and artifacts. Collections. The museum's collections include exquisite Etruscan pottery, jewelry, and sculptures. One of the highlights is the sarcophagus of the spouses, a remarkable terracotta funerary monument depicting a reclining couple. Cultural impact. The National Etruscan Museum provides invaluable insights into the Etruscan civilization, its art, and its contributions to Roman culture. It serves as a crucial resource for understanding the cultural and historical context of early Italy. Tags: #Etruscan Museum, #Villa Giulia, #Etruscan Art, #Sarcophagus of the Spouses, #Ancient Civilizations, #Italian History, #Archaeology, #Etruscan Artifacts, #Pre-Roman History, #Cultural Heritage. 6. Centrale Montemartini. History and significance. Centrale Montemartini is a unique museum located in a former power plant, combining industrial architecture with ancient Roman art. It opened in 1997 as an extension of the Capitoline Museum's collections. The museum's collections include Roman statues, mosaics, and artifacts displayed against the backdrop of early 20th century machinery. Notable pieces include the statues of Agrippina and the Muse Melpomene. Cultural impact. Centrale Montemartini offers a striking contrast between ancient and modern, highlighting Rome's continuous evolution. The museum underscores the city's ability to repurpose historical spaces for contemporary use, blending different eras in a seamless dialogue. Tags: #Centrale Montemartini, #Industrial Museum, #Roman Art, #Capitoline Museums, #Art and Technology, #Ancient and Modern, #Roman Sculpture, #Muse Melpomene, #Agrippina, #Rome History. 7. Keats Shelley House. History and significance. The Keats Shelley House is a museum dedicated to the Romantic poets John Keats and Percy Bysshe Shelley, located in the house where Keats spent the last months of his life. It was established in 1909 by a group of British and American admirers. Collections. The museum houses manuscripts, letters, and memorabilia related to Keats, Shelley, and other romantic poets. Visitors can also see Keats's bedroom, preserved as it was during his final days. Cultural impact. The Keats-Shelley House serves as a literary pilgrimage site, celebrating the lives and works of two of the most influential Romantic poets. It provides a personal glimpse into their final moments and their enduring legacy in literature. Tags: Hashtag Keats-Shelley House, Hashtag John Keats, Hashtag Percy Bysshe Shelley, Hashtag Romantic Poets, Hashtag Literary Museum, Hashtag Rome Literature, Hashtag Poetry, Hashtag Keats Bedroom, Hashtag Literary Heritage, Hashtag 19th Century Poetry. 8. Museum of the Liberation of Rome, Museo Storico della Liberazione. History and significance. The Museum of the Liberation of Rome is dedicated to the history of Rome during World War II, particularly the period of Nazi occupation and the city's liberation. It is located in the building that served as the headquarters of the German command. Collections. The museum's exhibits include photographs, documents, personal testimonies, and artifacts related to the resistance and the liberation of Rome. The building itself, with its preserved cells and interrogation rooms, serves as a poignant reminder of the wartime atrocities. Cultural impact. The Museum of the Liberation of Rome plays a crucial role in educating the public about the city's wartime history and the sacrifices made by the resistance. It stands as a testament to the resilience and courage of those who fought for freedom. Tags: Hashtag Museum of Liberation, Hashtag Rome, Hashtag Nazi occupation, Hashtag Resistance, Hashtag Rome Liberation, Hashtag War History, Hashtag Historical Museum, Hashtag Wartime Artifacts, Hashtag Freedom Fighters, Hashtag Italian History. 9. Doria Pamphils Gallery, Galleria Doria Pamphils. History and significance. The Doria Pamphils Gallery is a private art collection housed in the Palazzo Doria Pamphils, one of Rome's grandest historic palaces. The collection has been amassed over centuries by the Doria Pamphils family. Collections. The gallery features an impressive array of paintings, sculptures, and decorative arts. Highlights include works by Velázquez, Caravaggio, Titian, and Bernini. The gallery also boasts a stunning collection of Flemish tapestries and antique furniture. Cultural impact. The Doria Pamphils Gallery offers a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle and refined tastes of one of Rome's most influential families. It provides an intimate setting to appreciate masterpieces of European art in a historic context. Tags: Hashtag Doria Pamphils Gallery, Hashtag Private Art Collection, Hashtag Palazzo Doria Pamphils, Hashtag Velázquez, Hashtag Caravaggio, Hashtag Titian, Hashtag Bernini, Hashtag Flemish tapestries, Hashtag Historic Palace, Hashtag European art. 10. Explora, the Children's Museum of Rome, Museo dei Bambini di Roma. History and significance. Explora is a hands-on museum designed specifically for children, offering interactive exhibits that encourage learning through play. Opened in 2001, it aims to inspire curiosity and creativity in young minds. Collections. The museum features a variety of exhibits covering topics such as science, technology, environment, and communication. Activities are designed to be engaging and educational, fostering a love for learning in children. Cultural impact. Explora plays a vital role in early childhood education in Rome, providing a fun and educational environment for families. It helps children develop critical thinking skills and a passion for exploration. Tags: Hashtag Explora, Hashtag Children's Museum, Hashtag Interactive Exhibits, Hashtag Hands-on Learning, Hashtag Early Childhood Education, Hashtag Science for Kids, Hashtag Creative Play, Hashtag Educational Activities, Hashtag Rome Families, Hashtag Childhood Curiosity. 11. Museo Nazionale d'Arte Orientale Giuseppe Tucci. History and significance. Named after the famous Italian explorer and scholar Giuseppe Tucci, this museum is dedicated to Asian art and culture. It was founded in 1957 and is housed in the Palazzo Brancaccio. Collections. The museum's collections span a wide range of Asian cultures, including artifacts from China, Japan, India, Tibet, and the Islamic world. Highlights include Buddhist sculptures, Japanese prints, and Persian carpets. Cultural impact. The Museo Nazionale d'Arte Orientale Giuseppe Tucci serves as a bridge between Eastern and Western cultures, offering a deep appreciation of Asian art and traditions. It enriches Rome's cultural landscape with its diverse and exotic collections. Tags: #Museo Orientale, #Giuseppe Tucci, #Asian art, #Buddhist sculptures, #Japanese prints, #Persian carpets, #cultural exchange, #Eastern cultures, #Palazzo Brancaccio, #Rome museums. 12. Museum of Contemporary Art of Rome, Macro. History and significance. Macro is dedicated to contemporary art, showcasing works from the late 20th century to the present day. The museum is located in two venues, a former Peroni brewery and the Testaccio slaughterhouse. Collections. Macro's collections include paintings, sculptures, installations, and multimedia works by contemporary Italian and international artists. The museum also hosts temporary exhibitions, performances, and cultural events. Cultural impact. Macro plays a significant role in promoting contemporary art in Rome, providing a platform for emerging artists and fostering cultural dialogue. It enriches the city's artistic scene with its dynamic and innovative exhibitions. Tags: #Macro, #Contemporary art, #Modern art, #Italian artists, #International art, #Art exhibitions, #Cultural events, #Emerging artists, #Rome art scene, #Innovative art.